This conference will now be recorded.
We'll continue with the yesterday's thing. So what we did in yesterday's class, we created companies, right? You created 5 companies, one of your name, one of your is assignment, and 3 of your choice, correct? So similarly, when you go to the Alt K option, when you go to the Alt K option, you can see that you have alter, you have um, select, right? So when you have number of companies, you can use that select, shut. So which company you want to close, open, and all, you can do that. So that's the reason I mean you create a number of companies yesterday. Okay. So everyone, I want you to shut all other companies. Go to Alt K, shut all companies, and open your name hyphen yesterday's date company. I repeat, please shut all the companies and open only your name and yesterday's dates company. As you can see on my screen, same thing you must have on your screen with your name and yesterday's date. This part. Only one company must be here. You might have 3, 4 companies here. Shut all the companies. Take time, shut all the companies. Done? So now go to create. So when we created the company, we saw that when it is India, it automatically came as rupees, correct? So Tally is a multilingual and multi-currency based software where you can have that is multi-languages and multi-currencies. For that, we will have to create the currency. As by default, one currency will be there, that is rupees. Other currencies you have to create. But one thing here in create is we have to create the symbols. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, how to shut a company? Like, you're supposed to select the company. I'm pressing Alt
Yeah,
keys now.
you go to Alt K, go to shut. Control
Okay.
plus F3. Shut, and you can select. Enter. Just press enter. That company will get shut. Again, you go Control F3, shut another company. That's how you do all 3 or 4 companies.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
when I press Control plus F3, I'm getting a list of companies, but I'm only getting the one with my name and the yesterday's date. But only when I go to select, I'm seeing like the other companies I created.
See, that means the only your name and yesterday's date is company opened. All other companies are shut. So you don't have to shut the companies. So
Oh,
now you
nice.
saw, no, even though I had so many created companies, but only MCC2 came. Why? Because only that was opened. So I shut that company and I opened this company.
Oh, okay.
Anyone any doubts? I will be on to other screen, okay? Please unmute and talk if you have any doubts. I see one with a register number yet. Okay. So you go to create. First thing we have to do is we have to create. To use something, we need to have them, correct? So we need to create them, then we can use them. So for example, first here for the currency sake, I'll just show you how to create the currencies. It will be there with us. So go to currency, go to create currency. In case you are not able to see the word currency, then you click on show more and it will be seen. It must be seen for all. In case if it is not seen, then you click on show more, it will be seen. Go to currency, enter. It is asking currency rupees exists. So rupees is already by default. So you want to change the, you want to alter that currency symbol or you want to change. So I don't want to alter anything. The rupees is rupees only. I will just want to create. So you go to create. So it will ask you the symbol. Okay, now for the symbol, only with people having separate number keys on their keyboard will be able to do this currency part. In case you don't have, it's okay, you just take down the shortcut keys. It is not compulsory for creation. We are not using this in further thing. This is the option I am showing you. In case you don't have separate keyboard I and separate number keys, I mean is on the top you have these number keys, right? Special keys, not those. To your right, if you have a number lock and number keys, only then you can be using this shortcut. That is alt 0156, sorry, alt 156. What symbol is this? What symbol is this?
Pound,
Is
ma'am.
it euros, ma'am?
It's pound, ma'am.
Pound. It's pound.
Okay, you just give the formal name, nothing else. Now please see here, you don't have to work. I will give you the shortcut keys, then you can work and ask me the question. Now instead of I doing, what do I do? I should, to save this, what is the thing I do in Tally? I need to accept it, correct? So instead of doing enter, enter, enter so many times, come to the acceptance box. Okay, I am saving this now. I'm showing you this. I'm saving this using the acceptance box. Enter, enter, enter till I come to the acceptance box. My pound symbol is saved. Now I'll do alt 157. What symbol is this?
A yen.
So instead of doing enter, 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 I will do control plus A. Please take down control plus A to save and move next. That is, it is accepting. So what, instead of doing enter, enter, enter all the time, I will just use the key control plus A so that it will save and take me to the next. I repeat, control plus A, save and move next. That means it will take you to the next. So what that N whatever I did is already saved. The acceptance box is not come. That's because I've used the shortcut keys for the acceptance box. Next, I'll do alt 0128. What is this?
Euro, ma'am.
Control plus A. Okay, now I will do shift. In the special key only you have the dollar symbol, right? Shift 4, you can do that. People even without number keys, you can do this dollar symbol. Okay, control A. Now I will do control plus the dollar symbol. See, this is the rupees, correct? When I do enter, see what is the error it is showing me? Oops, name already exists. Name, enter a different name. See, once anything created entirely, you cannot have a duplicate name. So you must have some symbol difference or some even further. I'm telling you, like for whatever it is, you cannot have duplicate entries in Tally. You need to have at least one word, one letter difference, then it will take as a new entry. Escape, backward, one step backward is escape. I'll escape again, escape. So I am into the currency. I will just open the shortcut key for the currencies. Now I want you to do the currency. Just do it. You want to see it, I will show it later. Now I've opened the screen, no? So it's okay. You just do. I will tell you where you can see that later. We'll see together. Do it. Please ask me if you're not following. Anyone who do not have the number keys, put that in the message. Would be not. You can still do dollar, but apart from dollar, you cannot do the other three. Please. So all have number keys. I don't see anyone messaging that you don't have a. Put on.
Excuse me, ma'am, it's not coming.
Yes, ma'am, it's not coming, ma'am.
Sorry. I am speaking and not able. Okay. One of you asked me that you had you don't you currency symbol. What it will be there in the gateway of Tally. You go to create. Under that you have currencies. And what did Aishwarya? What is not coming?
I don't have that number keys, ma'am. If I
Then
press
forget.
the Alt plus 156,
No, it won't come. Good for you.
156, it's nothing.
It's okay. I told
Okay,
you, no.
ma'am.
If it is not there, just do um, shift and dollar. Do only the dollar symbol.
Okay.
Yeah. That's what I asked. Who don't have put a message?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, Shift plus 4 isn't actually working for me.
Shift plus 4 is not working. What 4 are you pressing? Shift plus number key 4? No, special 4, where the dollar symbol is there on the key. Special
Oh,
keys.
okay, ma'am. Oh,
On
okay.
top of the alphabet keys. Yeah. I think you've taken a picture of this. I'll go back to the tally screen so that I can show you where you can see all your. So you go back Okay, go to alter, enter, go to currencies, enter. See, this is the list where you can see all your created currencies. Everyone take a picture, put it in the group. I repeat, go to alter. Please see, I'm showing it again. After create, you did currency in the create. Now go to alter, enter, go to currency, enter, put this.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, even I can't able to save that dollar symbol also, ma'am. It's not give that acceptance box.
What is it telling when you press enter?
It's not moving the cursor even.
Put a picture.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Good. See, formal name you have put dollar. What is formal name? I told you to type. You have to type as dollar. So formal name you type as dollar. Then do enter. It will come. Erase that.
Okay, ma'am.
Type as dollar.
Okay, ma'am.
And then do control.
Ma'am, I'm unable to get the list of currencies. I saved them, but I'm unable to like get it
What,
seen.
what, what is it telling? What is the error?
The currencies I have already saved them, but how
Okay.
do I like?
Go to alter. Wait, I'm
Okay,
showing
one
you.
second.
You go back. I mean, you're under create. So come back. Come to gateway again.
Yes, ma'am.
Escape. Then press alter. Under that, go to currencies. So this is the list.
Okay, I got it, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you just again show the shortcut for rupees?
Rupees is control plus dollar symbol. That is the specialty for. Shift
Okay,
4 is dollars and control 4 is.
got it.
I think most of you are done. Go to the next one. Okay. Next you have is um, see, I create a company. Okay. I might have branches of companies also, right? So they're all my companies only, but they are different branches. Franchise is different. I'm telling you about the branch. So for that, what I will do, for example, even though I have different places in Bangalore only, I will have one something called head office. Correct? That is what a company goes on. So one is the head office, and then I will have the branches of different offices in different places, whether Bangalore, Mysore, wherever it is. So that's how I will have my companies. So my head office is called as cost category. Cost category is the head office, and branches of office is cost center. For example, if Karnataka is the uh, head office, that is cost, that will be cost category, and then Bangalore, Mysore, Mangalore will all be your cost centers. I repeat, cost category is the head office, branches cost centers. So when you are paying rent or when you are purchasing some goods or anything, it will ask like for which center you are doing and which under which category it will come. So why under which category? In case Karnataka. In Karnataka, Karnataka is my head office here. Now when I go to Maharashtra, Maharashtra is my head office. Under that I have Pune, Mumbai, everything inside that, that is my cost centers. So it is not compulsory for you to have only one. You can have one head office in one place. Again, then you can have the sub head offices. You can have one primary as well. You can have different offices as you categorize your company. Okay. For that, we will create them first. So everything what we need to create, we will create it in this. So before I just you can just take a note. Cost category. So what do I create first? Cost category, cost center. I will be creating cost category first, correct? So it is because under categories I will create cost centers. Please take down only the first point. So here the second point says one category will be there. So by default, even though you have branches, you don't have branches, one office will be there of yours, correct? That is automatically by default, it is cost category. That is your cost category. So already default things which are there, you can only alter them, not delete it. Okay. Next, cost center. Yeah, the sub branches of cost category. Only one sentence is enough. Sub branches of cost category. Oh, 1 second. Take down the path you want to. You take a picture. Just write one sentence in the book is enough.
Ma'am, can you show the last slide?
No, that is not required. I by mistake opened that. You have that in the next cost center. It is there. You just take a picture. Here it is there.
Ma'am, can you again just tell what was the shortcut key to like access all the currencies, like how to show the currency page?
You did not take a picture of it.
No, ma'am.
Again, I had that's a different. 1 second, give me. Someone who has taken can put a picture. Okay, last don't respond on quickly. You can see. This one only, no, you asked.
No, not this one. Like to show the currency page in the tally, like what am I supposed to press?
Oh,
That. You're telling like some alt something, right?
what alt I told? I did not tell alt. Alter, not the shortcut key. From the gateway of Tally only.
Oh, okay.
No, no, not the shortcut keys. From gateway of Tally only you have that alter, just like that.
Okay.
Okay, now we will create. So I will give you a list of uh, cost category, and under cost center what you'll have to create. One by one we will create them, and then I'll also let you create by your own. Okay, take down this. I mean, you can just take a picture of it. We'll be working on them. Okay, taken? Yes, no, put a message first. I'll,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So now we will have to go to cost. I mean, we'll have to create cost category and cost centers. You go to create. Whatever we have to create, we will create it from here. Create only. Alter is to do changes and see what you have. And you cannot see in create. Create. Now, can you see cost category, cost center here? No, because they are inactive options. They are not compulsory, right? So you go to show more and do enter. And then you go to show inactive and do enter. I repeat, go to create, enter, go above, show more, enter, go to show inactive, enter. There you can see this cost category, cost center. Go to cost category, enter. It will ask you whether you want to uh, create new or do the existing. So you go to create new. We are supposed to enable because it's inactive, right? So we are supposed to enable them. Do yes. So what was that? Bangalore. Bangalore. And do enter, 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 acceptance box, or else what is the shortcut key? Similarly, now you don't have to do anything. Just go Bangalore, Karnataka, Maharashtra. Three I have given, right? I want you to create two more of your choice. So three set I have given Bangalore, Karnataka, Maharashtra. Any other two of your options. So total you must have five cost categories in yours. Control A. Similarly, do Maharashtra. Then put two other of your choice.
Oh, Mom, can you just show how you get the cost category creation thing open in the first place once more?
Go to create,
Right.
enter. You will, as I've already activated, it is seen here. For you, it will not be seen. You have to go to show more, enter. Then you go to show inactive, enter. There you can see the cost category. Go to cost category, enter. It will ask you to enable. Then you click on enable. It maybe it will ask for alter the existing one. Then you go no to create new, and then you go to um, create, enable, and then create.
Okay.
You followed?
Yes, Mom.
Ma'am, what should we write for alias?
Nothing. Just give Karnataka, Control A. Bangalore, Control A. Maharashtra, Control A.
Oh, okay. And then
Don't
we have
change
to
any
create two more
options.
cross
Two
categories,
more
right?
names, yeah, two more names of your choice. So total 5 cost categories you must have.
Ma'am, like it should be the name of the state or city,
No,
right?
no, 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 no. It is not compulsory. It can be anything.
Okay, so first one is Maharashtra.
No, it's
Second one
Bangalore,
is
Bangalore,
Bang.
Karnataka, Maharashtra.
Okay.
You took a picture, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The same thing you will have to create. Only the left side part, or only the category part. Press 2. See, I have given here state and cities because it is easier for you to understand. So under Karnataka you have Bangalore, Mysore, Bangalore. Under Bangalore you have Jainagar, Kormangla. So that's easier to understand. That is the reason I have given cities and um, states. You can give anything of your choice. You want, you continue with the same example kind what I have given. You can give cities and states on.
How many again, ma'am, in total?
Total 5.
Okay.
Yes, don't go to Alter C, just create it and escape, escape, come back. Once you've done with 5, be on the screen what you can see on your on my screen. Same one.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
when I try to like before this, when I had tried to like create the euro currency and I pressed like alt 0128, like other symbols kept coming in. Is there like a particular way I can like press the keys in which it'll just come?
Means you want only the euro symbol to come without pressing 0, 1 to 8.
Yeah, like sometimes when I press like alt 0128, like if it's not like synchronized like perfectly, like some other
Yeah, you
symbol.
get, because every code, I mean, every symbol has a code. Correct.
So I
Yeah,
have to
that
press
is
all
what.
of them together, no?
Sorry.
I have to press all of them together, or it's like
Yeah, you
alt
hold
and
Alt. You don't leave Alt. You hold Alt. And then you press 0, 1 to 8 in a different hand. One hand, make sure you're holding Alt.
oh,
Then you will
okay,
get any
fine.
other symbol. Yeah. I think you must get back to the currencies later. Do with the categories, dear. Okay, everyone done? Yes, 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 fast. Yes, fast. And there's some connection problem. Yeah. It's 10, 10, 12. I want. Yes, yes. So now next we'll be creating the cost category. So first you see what I'm doing, how I'm doing. Sorry, cost center. Then I give you time. You can do. Go to cost center, enter. So you can see first is the category. That means under what category you want to create the cost center. So you press space bar. So when you press space bar to the right, all the created categories will be seen. You go to Bangalore, enter. Under Bangalore, I want Jainagar. Control plus A. Okay, I want everyone to do with me now. Go to cost center, enter. In the place of category, keep your cursor and press space. You can see a list of categories here. Under that, select what category, under what you want to create what. So I've created Jainagar, Bangalore, enter, control A. Similarly, next I go to Karnataka. Under Karnataka, I have Bangalore, Mysore. Karnataka, Bangalore. Control plus A. Same Mysore. Control plus A. Yes. Anybody who did not follow, anyone who wants me to do it again and show?
Ma'am, can you do it again and show?
Yeah, yes, please. No. Do it on
Yeah,
screen.
ma'am. Per category, like how many cost centers are we supposed to like create?
You took a picture, no dear. One category for 3 cost centers. One of them can post that in the group. Whoever has taken a picture. She's having this some trouble, no? One of the person who is, I don't know when she put message. So, is that from our side or is it her side? Anyone who can just see in the group what error she has got? So all others are in. Okay, so you can see there for one category, you will create 3 centers. So 3 set I have given you, correct? One category, 3 centers. One category, 3 centers I give. 2 more categories, what you created on your own. Similarly, you will give 3 centers for that. So how you create, go to cost center, space, you get what? Karnataka, Mysore. Okay, it's already there. Bangalore, enter, control plus A. So how do you see? Escape, come back, go to alter, go to cost center. So you can see here Bangalore under Karnataka, Jayanagar under Bangalore, Mangalore. So this is the set of cost centers what you can get. So you have to send me a picture of this. So you will have total 15 cost centers in the list. What I
Um,
have 5 here, you will have 15.
you
Yes,
want 3, right? Per one.
correct, correct.
Okay, okay.
Anyone who's not able to follow? Fast. I'll give you 5 minutes to do them. Ask me if you have doubts. You want to know after you have done, after you created, you go to alter, enter, go to cost centers, enter. There you can see the list of cost centers you have done. So when you get the list of cost center, automatically cost category also is there. You want to see, you can also go to cost category, enter, and you can see that how many cost categories you have. That answer your question.
Ma'am, when
Yes.
I go to cost categories, there's like some primary cost category that has been created. Like, how do I delete it?
You want to delete it.
Yeah, how to delete one cost category? Yeah.
Okay. For deleting, because I just showing you how to create. What you do is, for deleting, you go to alter, you go to cost category, click on what you want, and do control alt D.
Alt D. Yeah, I'm getting this only, the primary cost category.
Yeah. Yeah. Alt D. Yeah, that's because you have cost centers in them. Okay, I'll create a new one only and show you. Then you can delete it. Alter category. Alt D.
Yes,
You
ma'am, I
can delete.
delete.
Yeah, because I had centers. That's why I was not able to. You can also write down Alt D to delete. For everything to delete will be Alt D. Anything to delete.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
One of the category
Hmm?
is like by default going into primary cost category.
No, no, you are not selecting them. See, you select that. When you go to cost category, okay, and then you need to press space bar. Cost center. Go backspace to the category and press space bar. You can get the list to your right. Don't create it under primary cost category. Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Once done, please take a picture of the cost category and put it in the group. Good, I saw.
We want to put cost category or cost center.
Cost centers, so that I get to know the cost categories also will be seen. Sushil, why do you have only 6 cost centers? I told 15 must be there. Neha, hardly takes you minutes to do that. Complete and put. Chinmay, you must have 15 cost centers. All three of you delete those pictures, create and put it again. Okay. Now go to the next one. I think most of you are. Did you take a picture of this yesterday? Like I had given some shortcut which I just shared. So did you have this picture with you? So next, as I told you, we will be creating only transactions. That is, we will be putting only transactions in the uh, tally. Okay. So to put the transaction, what is that I required is I will require the ledgers. Like what are the transactions happening, like whether it is purchase, then purchase from whom, purchase of what. So all that thing we will have to create ledgers, like bank ledgers, fixed assets, creditors, debtors. So all these we will create the ledgers. So for us to create the ledger, the tally has differentiated them into groups, so that I will have, like when I put SBI account, automatically it will tell us it is a bank account. I can put that under the group of bank account. So SBI is a bank account. When I put, excuse me, when I put Mr. AY, ABC, he is my customer. So automatically automatically in sense you will add that. Okay, you will use that option to debtor. Okay, sundry debtor you have. Similarly, you have fixed assets. So when you say computers, computers can also be your product to sell. Computer can also be your uh, asset, like office use. So then you can put that computer name as into fixed assets, so that whenever you purchase computers as fixed assets, so it will come under your fixed assets only. It will come under account of your assets, not your stock. So so that is what, for the differentiation we have these something called groups in Tally, which has been created by the Tally. So there are total 28 groups. Okay, so these can only be altered, cannot be deleted, as I already told before. Which are defaultly done, created in Tally, can only be altered and not deleted. You can also create groups if required. Okay, please take down groups. Take down the first point. They are referred as scheduled. They are already there. You just use them, and you can take like total 20. Primary and the subgroups are not required. You will get to know why they are primary and sub when we open the list of groups. I wasn't audible. For how long?
For about like 3 minutes or 4 minutes.
So you did not listen the operation of how to see the groups.
No, like the last page we heard you was talking about the group and subgroup.
Okay, I will repeat again. So how you see the groups was, I mean, you, one second, I will open Tally. When you see my screen moving and I'm not talking, you just, okay, here, I repeat, you go to alter, enter, because already groups are created, you don't have to create. So all where you see groups in alter. So you go to groups, enter. So see, this is the list of groups which is already created. Okay, so you don't have, I mean, we will be creating ledgers under these groups. Okay, everybody was able to open the list of groups. Now what I want you to do is, I will open a presentation I want you to take pictures. I'll give like 1 2 second time, and then you take a picture. I'll go to the next slide. Again, you take a picture of that particular slide. Okay, take a picture of this. One of them can put that in the group as well. You missed, let me. Okay, so this is the explanation of each group. Okay, so before tomorrow's class, I want you to go through all these um, meanings, the examples, just a reference. So this is each group examples. I mean, meaning with example is being given. So now we will not be creating all these group. As you can see, there are subgroups, there are repeated names and all. So we will be creating few ledgers only. So now what I want you to do is I will dictate you few group names. Okay, so you write, for example, you write bank account under groups. Put a hyphen, make like two columns, group and ledgers. For bank account, hyphen, you need to give three examples. So examples are here as well. So now bank account hyphen, you'll give SBI account, Canara Bank account, maybe you will give with ICICI Bank. Okay. Similarly, I will not go into any other thing. I will go next. Maybe I will go to capital account. So you write capital account hyphen ABC capital account, Ravi's capital account, Radha's capital account.
Could you
Am I
just like
clear?
show it? Yeah, could you just show us like an example and just do it once, please?
You have to write down here, not do
Oh,
in
on
the
the
book.
in the book.
Yeah, you're writing. I'm if it is practical, I'm showing you first how to do practical. So you're
Oh,
just writing down. To do practical, you are writing down.
okay.
Yeah. So maybe I will tell you first the list of groups, then you can see the examples in this, the pictures what you've taken, as well as on your own, because there are only two examples, but I want you to give three examples each group. Okay, I will tell you the groups, take down the list of groups. Everybody followed, I believe. I did not get any question on that. Bank account, capital account, direct expense, direct incomes, fixed asset, indirect expense. Am I fast? Need to repeat. Bank account, capital account, direct expense. Like direct expense, you must give three examples. Direct income, you will give three examples. Fixed assets, indirect expense, indirect income, investment. Investment you can write like shares in Wipro, shares. Sundry debtors, sorry, sundry creditors, sundry debtors. So that is bank account, capital account, direct expense, direct income, fixed assets, indirect expense, indirect income, investments, sundry creditors, sundry debtors. 10, right? I missed fixed assets. 10, no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So now either you can take the example on your own, or but it must be accurate. Okay, you cannot just write 1, 2, 3, ABC and all. Like you can give those names for capital account, sundry debtors, sundry creditors. Apart from that, you must have uh, names only like salaries, salary account, or computers for fixed assets. So it must have a proper example, not just some random things. So that for groups there is no creations as of now. Okay, we're not creating any group to confuse the. Neha, I just saw your message. Did you get it? I think you did, right? You sent a photo.
Ma'am, what are the 10 groups again? Like bank, capital, direct expense, direct income, indirect expense. Oh, indirect income also is there.
Hmm.
Oh.
For direct expenses and income, we should just write the name right. So if there's a bakery, it's like for flour and stuff. So we should
No, no,
write
no,
flour.
no, no. No, no. What are examples for direct expense?
Ma'am, like wages, factory expenses, and carriage
Correct.
involved.
Correct. That only you will mention. You will
Okay.
mention as wages account. You will not mention for what.
Okay. Okay.
So whatever you're writing it down, we'll be creating that in the ledgers. Done? Yes, no, put a message. Go next. Okay. Next, so we have groups. We will be creating, as I told you, ledgers under these groups. Now, what you have created for bank account as um, SBI. So SBI will be my ledger name. Okay. So whatever transactions I do for SBI, automatically it will go in that particular ledger. That is the SBI ledger. Okay. So SBI will be the ledger name. So ledgers are referred as the head of account. So obviously, when whatever we create into journal, we put them into ledgers, right? So ledgers are only the one which is being categorized. So to pass day-to-day transaction, that means as I told you now we have SBI. So deposit of amount rupees 5,000 to SBI account. So obviously it will be under SBI account. Okay. So by default, see, as groups are default, similarly here also ledgers are by default created. That will be cash account and profit and loss account. These two ledgers are by default created in Tally. Please take down this. Done. Take the path gateway of Tally. How to go to the ledgers, and take a picture of this. This is enough. Don't have to write down this. Take this picture. Ledgers and groups, because you already written. Okay. Next, write down this, altering and deleting. See, Alt D, I told you, no, for everything, it's Alt D only. You go to alter, Alt D, you delete. Alter and select. You're supposed to select what you want to delete.